Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor, so let's begin. According to the question, the mother's age is 8 times the age of her daughter. Now after 32 years, the age of the mother will become 16 upon 9 times the age of her daughter. So we have to find the present ages of the daughter and the mother. So let the present age of daughter equals x years. Therefore, present age of mother will be equals 8 times the present age of daughter as mentioned in the question, so it will become 8x years. Okay. Now after 32 years, age of daughter will be equals x plus 32 years. That is because suppose if my age is 5 years today, then after 5 years my age will be 5 plus 5 years, so it will become 10 years. Similarly, if present age of daughter is x years, then after 32 years her present age will become x plus 32 years. As simple as that. Therefore, age of mother will be equals 8x plus 32 years. Now in the question it has been given that after 32 years the age of mother will be 16 upon 9 times her daughter's age. So according to the question, 8x plus 32 will be equal 16 upon 9 times the current age of her daughter, daughter's age after 32 years, that is x plus 32. So take 8 common from the left hand side, so it will have be 8 multiplied by x plus 4, which is equal 16 upon 9 x plus 32. 8 will cancel out 16 and will produce 2. Multiply 9 to the left hand side, so it will become 9x plus 9 multiplied by 4, which is 36, equals 2x plus 2 multiplied by 32. So 9x minus 2x will become 7x. Shift 36 to the right hand side, so 32 multiplied by 2, which is 64. 64 minus 36 will give us 28. Divide both sides of the equality by 7, so x will be equals 28 upon 7, which is 4. Therefore, daughter's present age equals 4 years and mother's present age will be 8 times the present age of daughter, which is 8 multiplied by 4, which will be equals 32 years. So that's our final answer. Thank you and have a great day.